Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to make a game pass in Roblox mobile. So the first step is to simply open Roblox and then simply tap on these three dots. Then simply scroll down and go to create. Then here you'll have to simply tap on this menu button, and then what you have to do is simply go to creations and then simply tap and open any creation on your account. Then tap on the menu again, and then you'll have to simply scroll down and go to passes under monetizations, and then here you have to simply tap on create a pass, and then here you have to simply choose your image, enter the name and the description, and then simply tap on create pass, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, we have our pass now. So if I tap on it, as you can see, I can simply edit it if I want. And if you go back to creations and tap on it again and go to menu, we can go here to passes, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.